We've all heard the saying, "You are what you eat." But have you ever thought about how the speed at which you eat can affect your health? Welcome back to our channel, Health Literacy Square. Today, we're diving into the question, how fast should you eat your food? Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about the pace of your eating and how it impacts your digestion and overall health. We'll also share some tips on how to slow down your eating, and we have a fun experiment you can try at home to see the effects of slow and fast eating. So let's get started. Let's dive a bit deeper into the science behind eating slowly and quickly. As we mentioned earlier, digestion starts in your mouth, where chewing breaks down food into smaller pieces, and enzymes in your saliva start to break down carbohydrates. When you eat quickly, you're likely to chew less, which means your stomach has to work harder to break down the food. This can lead to indigestion and other digestive discomforts. On the other hand, when you eat slowly and chew your food thoroughly, it's easier for your stomach to continue the digestion process. But there's more to it than just digestion. The speed at which you eat can also affect your hormones, blood sugar levels, and insulin response. When you start eating, your body releases a hormone called ghrelin, also known as the hunger hormone. Ghrelin signals to your brain that it's time to eat. As you eat and your stomach stretches, ghrelin levels decrease, and your body starts to release other hormones like cholecystokin, glucagon-like peptide 1, and peptide Y. Why? These hormones signal to your brain that you're full. However, this process takes about 20 minutes. So if you eat quickly, you might consume more food than you need before your body realizes it's full. But if you eat slowly, you give your body time to release these fullness hormones, which can help prevent overeating. Now, let's talk about blood sugar and insulin. When you eat, your body breaks down carbohydrates into glucose, which raises your blood sugar levels. In response, your body releases insulin, a hormone that helps your cells take in glucose for energy. When you eat quickly, your body may not have enough time to properly respond to the influx of glucose, leading to a spike in both blood sugar and insulin levels. Over time, these spikes can lead to insulin resistance, a risk factor for type 2 diabetes. On the other hand, eating slowly can help your body better manage blood sugar and insulin levels, reducing the risk of insulin resistance and diabetes. So, as you can see, the speed at which you eat can have a significant impact on your digestion, hormones, blood sugar, and insulin response. That's why it's so important to take your time and eat slowly. Now that we understand why it's important to eat slowly, let's talk about how to do it. Here are some tips. 1. Take smaller bites. This will naturally slow down your eating and make you chew more. 2. Put your utensils down between bites. This can help you eat more mindfully and less automatically. 3. Savor your food. Take time to really taste and enjoy each bite. 4. Eat without distractions. Try to avoid eating while watching TV or scrolling through your phone. This can help you focus on your food and how much you're eating. Now, let's move on to our experiment. This is something you can easily do at home to see the effects of slow and fast eating. We're going to break it down into detailed steps for you. For this experiment, you'll need 2 meals of the same size and type. It's important to keep the meals consistent to ensure that any differences you notice are due to the speed of eating, not the food itself. You might want to choose a meal that you typically eat quickly to really see the difference when you slow down. Step 1. Eat the first meal as you normally would. Try to eat in your typical environment and avoid any unusual distractions. Use a stopwatch or timer to record how long it takes you to finish the meal. Write this time down. Step 2. Immediately after finishing the meal, record how you feel. Are you still hungry? Do you feel overly full? Do you have any discomfort or indigestion? Write down any observations. Step 3. About 2 to 3 hours after the meal, record how you feel again. Are you still satisfied or are you hungry again? Do you have any delayed discomfort or indigestion? Again, write down any observations. Step 4. Wait until you're hungry again, then eat the second meal. This time, make a conscious effort to slow down. Aim to take at least 20 minutes to finish the meal using the tips we discussed earlier. Use a stopwatch or timer to record how long it takes and write this time down. Step 5. Just like with the first meal, record how you feel immediately after finishing and again 2 to 3 hours later. Write down any observations. Step 6. Compare your notes from the 2 meals. Did you notice any differences in how you felt immediately after eating or a few hours later? Did you eat the second meal more slowly than the first? How did the pace of eating affect your satisfaction and comfort? This experiment can give you a first-hand look at how the speed of eating affects your body. You might find that you feel more satisfied and less uncomfortable after the meal you ate slowly. This is a great way to see the benefits of slow eating for yourself. Remember, everyone's body is different, so your results may vary. But we hope this experiment gives you some insight into how your eating speed affects your digestion, satisfaction, and overall health. And we'd love to hear about your results in the comments below. So, there you have it. The speed at which you eat your food can have a big impact on your digestion and overall health. Try slowing down your eating and see how it makes you feel. And don't forget to try our experiment and let us know your results in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more nutrition tips and advice. Until next time, eat well and take care.